Hi everyone! It looks like Jackson's is having a brush sale this week. There's also some watercolor products on promotion, which I'll mention afterwards. So for the brush sale, or I assume it is, it's an artist's brush sets sale. So individual open stock brushes don't seem to be on sale, only the sets. I'll leave links to everything I mentioned down in the description box below, so you don't have to worry about finding these. If my link doesn't work, you can go to the Brushes tab and then click on Artist Brush Sets. As you can see, there are loads and loads of brush sets from various brands on sale. Some may or may not be in this list, so I'll share some with you that personally piqued my interest. This first set here is by Da Vinci in collaboration with Anna. You get a nice quill mop brush and 2 round brushes. I'd say it's a good set for people who don't paint very large, maybe up to A4 size. Next is also a set by Da Vinci in collaboration with Rabi Alieva. You can definitely buy these 2 brushes separately open stock, but I'd say the big selling point of this set is that the brush handles is this beautiful, lightly sparkled turquoise color. Next, I chose to highlight this set because it's Jackson's own brand of brushes. It's their Icon range, which features a blend of sable and synthetic fibers. The sizes they've chosen is also perfect for anyone who is starting out with watercolor and don't know what brushes and sizes to get. Moving on to Princeton, this is their Neptune set of synthetic squirrel brushes. I must admit, I initially had my eye on this set all because of the jade-colored handle of the flat brush. But as I painted more and more, I've learned that this set is actually a great selection of brushes for anyone looking to try different shapes of squirrel brushes. Then we have Escoda. You've seen me mention this travel set before, and that's because I find that this one is their most suitable travel brush set for watercolor artists. And then this set I've chosen to show you is because, well, I've had this on my wish list as well. Not because of Julia, but because Jay from J. Nathan Watercolor uses Escoda, both Ultimo and Perla, and the brush shapes seem to hold up very well. And for this particular set, if you were to buy the mop brush on its own, that's already $17, but you can get this set of 3 brushes for just under $30. So yeah, I may be a little tempted. And before we get into the watercolor stuff, there's this last brush set I wanted to show you. I believe it's a Chinese calligraphy brush set where you get the ink stone, ink slab, and all that jazz, you know. But the main thing that piqued my interest is that you get 4 natural hair brushes, 2 made of goat hair and 2 made of sable hair. All this for just $10. Plus, you even get a really beautiful box. That's it for the brushes. Moving on to the watercolor stuff now. This video is getting a bit long, so I'm going to flash through some of these. Set of Winsor&Newton 48 half pans. Set of Winsor&Newton Cotman 45 half pans. Exclusive to Jackson's Schminke Hordam sets. This white palette one is interesting. Again, links will all be down below. Schminke Special Edition Set collaboration with Jackson's. Schminke Super Granulation Set of 15 ml tubes. Schminke set of all 40 super granulation colors. The link to this particular product gives me an error page, but you can follow my link to the Schminke sets page and click on the item here, scroll back up, and then click Add to Basket, and it should work. And finally, Daniel Smith practically never goes on sale on Jackson's, but here we have some colors that have discounts. Just go to the open stocks page, click on special offers, and you'll see these. There's also 2 colors with discounts from the Daniel Smith watercolor sticks range. And that's all I have for you today. If you do decide to get anything, I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider using my affiliate links below. It really helps in supporting maintaining this channel. And of course, a huge thank you to those of you who have used my affiliate links in the past. I know it's a conscious effort, so I really am so grateful. Thank you, everyone! Alright, that's all from me today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.